Dubai's DP World seeks to empower traders on a global scale. The United States government launches 2 projects to boost business and trade in Zambia. These are some of the stories covered on this week's Africa Investment News, brought to you by Jobs for Africa Foundation and Africa Alert. My name is Diana Ambale. Dubai's DP World seeks to empower traders on a global scale. Africa's trading environment and infrastructure are modernizing as fast as the opportunities are presenting themselves. DP World are transforming trade in Africa partly through investing heavily in the digital infrastructure to help Africa keep up with the demand. They have rolled in tools to reduce container vessel waiting times at some ports from 5 days to a matter of hours, which is particularly valuable for traders of perishable goods and those taking advantage of the enormous e-commerce market in Africa. Trade volume between Nigeria and the United Kingdom stands at £5.5 billion. Total UK exports to Nigeria amounted to £3.3 billion in the 4 quarters of 2022, while total UK imports from Nigeria amounted to £2.2 billion in the quarter of 2022, making the trade volume stand at £5.5 billion. This is contained in a statement issued in Abuja, jointly signed by the Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, Adenyi Adebayo, and UK Trade Envoy to Nigeria, Helen Grant, at the 8th Ministerial Meeting of the United Kingdom to Nigeria Economic Development Forum. Rwanda inks 4 major energy deals with Eni. Rwanda and Eni, an Italian energy company, have signed 4 cooperation agreements to develop innovative joint initiatives in agriculture, protection of unique forest ecosystems, technology, and health. The 4 agreements were signed with Rwanda Development Board, Health Ministry, National Industrial Research and Development Agency, and the Ministry of ICT and Innovation on November 24, 2022. The United States government launches 2 projects to boost business and trade in Zambia. The Zambian Minister of Finance Situmbeko Musokotwane and the U.S. Ambassador to Zambia Michael Gonzalez launched 2 critical economic development projects funded by the U.S. government. The projects are the USAID Business Enabling Project and the USAID Trade Boost. These projects will improve business opportunities, create jobs, and increase incomes for Zambians working in the agriculture, clean energy, trade, and ecotourism sectors. African Union and the Africa Economic Zones Organization hold symposium on Africa's special economic zones. The 5th African Union Symposium on Special Economic Zones and the 7th edition of the African Economic Zones Organization annual meeting started on November 30th to December 2nd in Abuja, Nigeria. The meeting is convened under the theme African Special Economic Zones, Engine for Resilience and Accelerator for Sustainable Industrial Value Chains Development. According to the African Economic Zones Outlook 2021 edition, more than 200 special economic zones are operational in Africa, while 73 projects have been announced for completion in 47 countries. The land dedicated to special economic zones is nearly 150,000 hectares, while over $2.6 billion have been mobilized in investment dedicated to agro-processing, manufacturing, and services. To receive more of our weekly investment news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell.